Hey everybody, it's Brooke Silva, Regional Tech Trainer for Keller Williams New England, and I am here to say congratulations on taking the first step to building a big business within Keller Williams with Ignite. Ignite is for new agents. Ignite is for agents looking to get bigger business or looking to come back and relearn some of the skills that they may have forgotten about or they want to sharpen through their careers in real estate. So today I'm going to give you just a few tips and tricks so that come day one of the classes, you are super successful. So step one, take a deep breath, breathe. We are in this together. Many of the agents in this course are brand new. So if you're thinking, oh, I'm too new to participate, or I'm not sure what they're talking about, I encourage you to go ahead and raise your hand and participate, because many of the other agents in this course probably have the same questions you do. Next, set yourself up for success. For me, that means snacks and drinks, right? So set yourself up, make sure you have everything handy near you that you're going to need. Notepads, pencils, pens, however you like to take notes. If you want to print out the workbooks, those links have been provided to you in either the emails or the Facebook group. I always have extra snacks, don't you worry. Next, make sure you're really doing this on a computer or a big tablet. This course is not meant to be taken on a cell phone. As we share information, sometimes depending on your view, the screen gets smaller and the little square where we share information gets smaller and smaller. We want you to really be able to take in everything and see everything the instructors are sharing. So please try to be on a computer, a Chromebook, or a tablet with a bigger screen on it, and have your power handy. So that way you don't have to worry about running out of power during any of this. Next, during the weekend or sometime before class, I want you to test out a Zoom if you're not comfortable with it, and make sure you have Zoom installed on your computer. So you can go to zoom.us/test. And what you can do is join a test meeting. Now, it's not going to allow me to join a test meeting because we're already showing you me on a Zoom. But what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to test your microphone. It's going to ask you to test cameras and microphone, all these things. So that way, when you jump in day one, you know, and you're a little more comfortable with Zoom if you were not comfortable before. Okay. Next, try to get there 10 to 15 minutes early to make sure you can connect without issues. If you are having any problems connecting to the Ignite session, there will be contact information in the emails you're getting before this. So reach out to the contact person that is listed. It is difficult for the person who is teaching Ignite to pick up the phone, see texts, or help you get on if they've already started teaching. Next, there is somebody on here who is helping the instructors in the chat. So they will introduce that person, but please use the chat if you are struggling with a concept, if you need the instructor to pause, or send a private message to that person and they will help you along the way. And then lastly, I encourage you to put your cameras on. So many of us are working from home in different circumstances. We want to see your faces. We want you to interact with us. We wish we could all be together in a big room, but at this time we just can't. So we want to see your faces and we want you to participate. This is a participation class. So we are looking forward to doing this with you. We're looking forward to learning with you and helping you build bigger businesses. You will see me. I will be popping in and out of the Ignite sessions, and I can't wait to help you guys grow as well. Take care and enjoy the sessions. Hi, my name. We're so Ignite will help you adopt success habits. Adopt success habits. Say it 30 times fast. I need a teleprompter. Take 75. Here are some tech tips and tricks. Why am I doing this late at night? And the dog's barking, and I got a weird, am I the Terminator? What's going on here with my light? What's going on with my ring light? Terminator.